The term affirmative action was first used in the early 1960s during the Civil Rights Movement. It refers to the policies that take factors including race, religion, sex, or national origin into consideration in order to benefit an underrepresented group, usually as a means to counter the effects of a history of discrimination. Today, affirmative action is a widely discussed topic nationally as it refers to college admissions policies when trying to diversify a campus's student population. When most institutions use the term diversity, it not only includes racial and ethnic diversity, but religious and socioeconomic diversity as well. However, the largest controversy when speaking about affirmative action stems from the use of race as a factor in admissions processes at our nation's top institutions. Since the 1978 ruling in the case of the University of California versus Bakke, which banned the use of racial quotas but ruled that race could be used as a factor in admissions decisions, to the 1996 decision in the Hopwood versus Texas case, which stated that UT Austin could not use race as a basis for admissions to achieve diversity on campuses, to the 2003 Grutter versus Bollinger case, which reversed the Hopwood versus Texas decision. Affirmative action has been a blazing hot topic, and it doesn't seem like it's dying down. Many opponents see affirmative action policies, such as the top 10% law in the state of Texas, as a form or reverse discrimination for those a part of the majority populations. Some may ask, why is race even considered in admission standards anyway? The answer to that is that even in the 21st century, we still have large groups of students not being represented on campuses across the nation. This means that even with policies like the Top 10% law, which was developed to help boost minority admissions after the Hopwood decision, institutions are still struggling to boost their numbers, especially in the case of African American and Latino students. Why are these concerns important? They are important because in 21st century in America, everyone should be entitled to a quality and equitable education. Not only does this include access to education, but it means the actual different points of view that are found in the classroom but can only come from a diverse class of students, again in reference to not only racial ethnic diversity, but to religions and socioeconomic diversity brought by students of different backgrounds. Therefore, the answer to the question, is there still a need for affirmative action in the admissions process, is yes. We must continue to strive for more diversity in our learning environment in college. Not only does affirmative action help achieve some form of ethnic and racial diversity, we see that when race is used as one of many factors in the admissions process, it helps get the most qualified candidates of underrepresented groups the chance to shine and thrive at institutions of higher education by bringing a distinct point of view to the table that can't be found if everyone is the same. Although it is important to keep affirmative action in place right now, the hope in the future is that our society will be able to get away from these types of policies altogether. However, as it still stands today, there are barriers that prevent some students from prevailing. So until everyone is treated equitably, affirmative action should be in place.